Presenting a pre-owned 2008 Ford F-350 Super Duty. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.4-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 112,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Ask to see the free Carfax Vehicle History Report. Key features include automatic climate control, MP3 player, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, leather seats, power door locks, and power windows. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motor Cars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.